Hello students, today's topic is photosynthesis. In this we will take light reaction. Light reactions or the photochemical phase include light absorption, water splitting, oxygen release and the formation of high energy chemical intermediates ATP and NADPH. Several protein complexes are involved in the process. The pigments are organized into two discrete photochemical light harvesting complexes within the photosystem 1 PS1 and photosystem 2 PS2. These are named in the sequence of their discovery and not in the sequence in which they function during the light reaction. The LHC are made up of hundreds of pigment molecules bound to proteins. Each photosystem has all the pigments except one molecule of chlorophyll A, forming a light harvesting system also called antennae. These pigments help to make photosynthesis more efficient by absorbing different wavelengths of light. The single chlorophyll A molecule forms the reaction center. The reaction center is different in both the photosystems. In PS1, the reaction center chlorophyll A has an absorption peak at 700 nanometer, hence is called P700. While in PS2, it has absorption maxima at 680 nm and is called P680. The electron transport in photosystem 2, the reaction center chlorophyll A absorbs 680 nm wavelength of red light, causing electrons to become excited and jump into an orbit farther from the atomic nucleus. These electrons are picked up by an electron acceptor which passes them to an electron transport. See the diagram carefully. There you can see LHC1, LHC2 having the photosystem 1, photosystem 2 electron acceptors. And these electron transport system is present consisting of cytochromes. This movement of electron is downhill in terms of an oxidation reduction or redox potential scale. The electrons are not used up as they pass through the electron transport chain but are passed on to the pigments of photosystem 1. Simultaneously, electrons in the reaction centers of PS1 are also excited, which they receive red light of wavelength 700 nm and are transferred to another acceptor molecule that has a greater redox potential. These electrons then are moved downhill again, this time to a molecule of energy-rich NADP. The addition of these electrons reduces NADP to NADPH plus proton. This whole scheme of transfer of electrons starting from the PS2 uphill to the acceptor, down the electron, transfer to another acceptor and finally downhill to NADP, reducing it to NADPH plus H positive is called the Z scheme. Due to its characteristic shape, this shape is formed when all the carriers are placed in a sequence on a redox potential scale. During this process, if you will see carefully, then you will see the electron is passing from LHC to an electron acceptor to the electron transport system, back to the LHC of the photosystem 1, electron acceptor. During this process, when it is passing through the electron transport system, one molecule of ATP is being synthesized, and when it is passing from the E acceptor, one molecule of NADPH is being formed. During this whole process, this ATP and NADPH which is being formed is going to be utilized during the dark reaction, not in the light reaction. The electron is provided by the water molecule. The splitting of the water molecule releases 2 electrons and 2 protons, and oxygen is being released, meaning that oxygen which is being liberated by the plant is not coming from the carbon dioxide, it is coming from the water molecule. The first of all, the electron is excited from LHC of the photosystem 2, while the second electron is being released by the photosystem 1, and in this particular case the electron is not coming back to the system again. So once the electron form, it is being released, it is not coming back to the LHC. So this type of the cycle is non-cyclic, and because the synthesis of a phosphate is taking place, or the ATP synthesis is taking place, it is non-cyclic phosphorylation. Because light is involved, that is why it is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, where the electron is not coming back, ATP is being synthesized from the ADP and inorganic phosphate in the presence of light. So this type of the Z scheme of light reactions takes place in maximum plants, because without that synthesis of ATP and NADPH, dark reaction cannot take place. Thank you.